Hey, music superstar. Welcome to the instrument wonderland. Have you seen a saxophone? It's a shiny golden instrument shaped like a big curvy smile, and it makes music that's full of energy and fun. To play the saxophone, you blow into a mouthpiece with a reed and press its shiny keys. And guess what? The saxophone can sound smooth and jazzy, like a cat walking coolly on a rooftop, or loud and exciting, like a party in full swing. The saxophone is used in jazz, rock, and even classical music. It's so expressive that it feels like it's talking right to your heart. Wouldn't it be awesome to play the saxophone and create music that makes everyone groove and smile? Let's grab one and start your saxophone adventure.